By asking the question, do we need nature, it implies that we as a species are separate from nature, but we are not. Humans are just one small aspect of nature. Humans are the only species with the ability to comprehend the possibility of their own extinction, and this knowledge often leads us to arrogantly and incorrectly position our species as the keystone of the natural world, believing that our removal from existence would result in the collapse of nature itself. However, nature is not dependent upon any one species. If nature on this planet relies on anything, it is the sun, without which life on Earth could not exist. Ultimately, humans assume that the most important and catastrophic extinction event would be that of humans themselves, when in reality the world would continue and the majority of species would most likely flourish in our absence. This arrogance is further demonstrated by the fact that while humans are the sole cause of numerous extinctions, such as the West African black rhino, passenger pigeon, quagga and Tasmanian tiger, we only pay attention to the extinctions which affect us. The threat posed to crop production by the demise of the bee population has been in the public eye precisely because it affects humans. As different species become extinct, it has varied effects on the world as a whole. For example, a small species such as an insect may have an effect on the bird species that consume it. However, they can easily adapt to this change in diet by substituting for more of another insect species. Even if one species was entirely dependent upon another, eventually the balance would be restored. Factors such as mass extinctions can have more devastating effects on ecosystems, such as the dinosaur extinction at the end of the Cretaceous period around 65 million years ago. The dinosaurs became extinct along with 50% of the world's species, and yet the world still managed to adapt, evolve and recover. It is clear that we are a part of nature and not separate from it. Without nature, we would not exist. As extinction shows, nature is not dependent upon any one species, even one as intelligent as humans. And so while we clearly need nature, nature does not need us.